How to fight hate speech on the internet. Here are some strategies to combat hate speech on the internet. Most social media platforms have reporting mechanisms to flag offensive content, including hate speech. If you come across hate speech online, report it to the platform administrators or moderators. This helps bring attention to the issue and increases the chances of it being removed. Engage in respectful conversations online and model the behavior you want to see. Respond to hate speech with counter speech that challenges the narrative and promotes empathy, understanding, and respect. Encourage others to do the same. Don't amplify or share. Refrain from sharing or amplifying hate speech content, even if it is to criticize or condemn it. Sharing such content can inadvertently spread its harmful message. Instead, focus on sharing positive and inclusive content that promotes understanding and unity. Support online communities. Join or create online communities that actively work against hate speech. These communities can provide support, share information, and collectively respond to instances of hate speech. Together, you can report and address hateful content more effectively. Use privacy and security settings. Protect yourself online by utilizing privacy and security settings on social media platforms. Adjust your settings to control who can view and interact with your content. This can help reduce exposure to hate speech and harassment. Educate and raise awareness. Share information about the impact of hate speech and its consequences. Educate others about the importance of respectful online communication and the potential harms of hate speech. Encourage digital literacy and critical thinking to help individuals recognize and respond to hate speech effectively. Support platform policies and initiatives. Advocate for social media platforms to have clear policies against hate speech and to enforce them consistently. Support platforms that take proactive measures to monitor and remove hateful content. Encourage platforms to provide resources for users to report hate speech easily. Collaborate with organizations. Work with organizations that fight against hate speech and online harassment. Support their initiatives, campaigns, and educational programs. Collaborate on projects that promote digital citizenship, online safety, and inclusive online communities. Stay informed and engaged. Keep up to date with the latest developments, research, and initiatives related to hate speech and online harassment. Stay engaged in discussions about online safety, digital rights, and policies that impact online speech. Be an active participant in shaping a safer online environment.